Hello everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I will introduce you one of our hard-selling valve assembly. And let's take a look. Firstly, is the outside package. It is kind of blue VCINT valve spec, and here this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand. The product code of this valve assembly is F00VC01338. For this kind of the logo, label, the packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now let's check the inside part. Dun 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 dun. Let's take a look. For the inside part, it is kind of transparent bottles. And when you open it, we use the one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the inside valve assembly. For this one, the product code of this valve assembly is F00VC01338. And it's the 110 series, China-made brand new applicable. Inject number is 04451110247, etc. That's the valve cap. If you look carefully, you find on the valve cap there is the coating figures. That's the valve rod. 6 months warranty time in this period. Any of customers, if you are not set with the quality return or exchange, is okay. Okay, so much for this one at last. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.